Hello everyone, here's a custom build Ford Falcon from the movie Fury Road. This one was customized by myself. Takes about a week to put together. It's made by Greenlight. Features opening front doors. This is the muddy, dirty version. As you can see, it's got mud and dirt all over. The body damage. Again, everything's handmade. The tanks on the back, the gas tubes, spare tire, rope, and real cloth, just like in the movie. I've also added cloth on the inside, hanging from the roof, just like in the movie again. One look inside the inside of the car, you can see it's muddy and dirty. This side as well, it's got mud and dirt all over. Broken headlights on the front. Damaged front, I guess the bumpers or spoiler, whatever it is, just like in the movie, was not there. Again, this is custom made that you will not find anywhere else, as it's custom built. I've also added the working lights to it, working front lights, and just let me focus a little bit. Here we go. And working the rear tail lights. The bottom also has been muddied out, as you can see. This is the on and off switch for the lights right here. 9-volt battery goes inside the car. You'll have to remove these 4 screws. One right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. Once the battery gets old or weak, just take those 4 screws out, replace 9-volt battery, which is in a little 9-volt compartment, and screw the base back in place, and you're good to go. It does come with its box. So it'll be packed for safe delivery. I don't do it too often because it's the time consumption. So if you're interested, feel free to bid. Any questions you have, feel free to ask. I usually answer within 24 hours. Oh, yeah, the wiper effect as well. I mean, like I said, I've taken my time with this car, so no shortcuts. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be on eBay shortly, so feel free to bid. Thank you.